Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mythos token. Ticker symbol is Myth, M-Y-T-H, that's the ticker symbol. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko, might be on CoinMarketCap as well. Token price right now is $1.25 per token. It's up 4.1% today. This token just got listed on CoinGecko a few days ago. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. Mythos. So yeah, $1.25 right now is the token price. This is an Ethereum token. You can find their Etherscan listed on CoinGecko here. So this token, since it's an Ethereum token, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, trade your Ethereum for the Myth token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan or their official webpage, which is mythos.foundation. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. And just be aware that there is network fees and gas fees on Uniswap when you buy tokens. So according to their Etherscan, they have a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Right now it says they only have 128 holders. Very low amount of holders here. 18 decimal places on this token. 1,217 transfers. Yes, they are listed on CoinMarketCap as well, because that's what it has linked on their Etherscan, along with a contact email, webpage, and Twitter that you can find on here as well. Their Twitter is at EnterTheMythos. And they also have a Telegram and Discord and GitHub listed on... Wait, I'm looking at the wrong page here. Sorry. They only have a Twitter. I was looking at a different token for a second there. They only have a Twitter listed on CoinGecko. Let's be clear. All right. So, yeah, it just says Uniswap on CoinGecko as well for markets. I don't see any central exchange listings yet. But yeah, if you go to their official webpage, mythos.foundation, you can find information about the token utility, subcommittees, special counsel, advisors, focus, and foundation are all different headings on here. It says the Mythos Foundation, aka the Foundation, along with the Mythos Blockchain Ecosystem DAO, aka the Mythos Ecosystem and or Mythos DAO, collectively Mythos, have been established to simplify, standardize, and democratize Web3 gaming. Mythos aims to democratize the gaming world and allow for players and creators to participate in the value chain. It is grounded in the support of the multi-chain ecosystems, unified marketplaces, decentralized financial systems, decentralized governance mechanisms, and multi-token game economies. Mythos will spearhead funding, development, and distribution of gaming, tokens, and blockchain technologies to reduce barriers to entry for innovative game developers wanting to build a thriving play and own economy, thereby allowing for more Web3-based interactive experiences to be created and to reach a wider audience. This will open the doors for players to enjoy a broader and more diverse gaming market where studios are limited only by their imagination. Mythical Games is the initial contributor and supporter of Mythos, Mythical will be providing support and fully committed to integration of Mythos standards and technology and adoption of the Mythos utility token in order to fuel the next generation game development and Web3 gaming utility. Mythical is also helping recruit the first set of Mythos governance partners and advisors from gaming and related industries. So the Mythos token, ticker symbol MYTH, says MYTH will be the interoperable native utility token used in these decentralized efforts and provide opportunity for anyone to participate and contribute within the ecosystem, adding governance and value to game developers, publishers, and content creators. Mythical Games is the first to adopt Myth as the native utility token on the Mythical chain and will use its token on its Mythical marketplace. Myth is an ERC20 mainnet token with a total fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. Token generation event May 12th, 2022, and they have a full audit by QuantStamp as well. So it says areas of focus. Mythos Foundation is initially focused on 5 key areas of development. Number 1, cross-chain infrastructure and NFT transport. Number 2, the evolution of NFTs and game economies for game developers and publishers. Number 3, integration and support for gaming guilds and guild communities. Number 4, the growth of traditional esports participation in Web3. And lastly, number 5, collaboration with the traditional gaming platforms to craft new policies that support the next generation of games and gamers. So it says Myth will be the governance token that is used to vote on all proposals like a DAO. Myth is the native token on the Mythical chain that underpins all the products on Mythical Games. Myth will be the primary token in the marketplace powering all the Blankos block party transactions. Myth will be the unit on the new Mythical Marketplace 2.0 supporting future games. All transactions will be powered by this token and will be the native token on the dmarket.com, powering nearly 2 million transactions a month from over 175,000 monthly accounts. And Myth will be the native token for all proposed Myth ecosystem projects. And yeah, you can check out all their partners and other partners in the bottom of the webpage here. It's got all sorts of information on this page that you can check out at mythos.foundation. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy-to-navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.